Hey everyone, and welcome to the video here. I'm Brian Jacobson, and in this video here, I'm going to share with you some more about my spring clean fasting workshop that comes up here in May. And if you're interested in joining, also if you want to just do a fast on your own, how you can start preparing for it. So what you see here next to me should be the landing page. So if you're interested, you just go on fastwithbrian.manos.space. There'll be a link below here on the video or in the post if you're in the post. But what you do is just you reserve your spot. There'll be some questions, of course, how you're doing, why you want to do your fast, so you get the most out of this time together with me. That being said, spring clean fasting, this is for rebooting your immune system, clear allergies if you're struggling with those in the past years. And also we're going to activate stem cells. So in a way, we're going to rejuvenate your entire body and system. I'm going to guide you through it. It's going to happen in 16 days, right? Let me just see if I can make the picture somewhat bigger. There we go. It's going to happen in 16 days. And we're going to have sessions together. I'm going to guide you through it. And you can also have the free session on the 30th of April, where I'm going to introduce everything, what we're going to do together. Just in short, I'm going to talk a little bit about what to experience here, what you can expect. So it's not just a fast. What we're really doing is we want to calm the system down, right? Work with the nervous system through breath work, through mindset training, massages. So we're going to really dive deep back into resetting the body so you can have an easygoing body, feeling light, and the clarity that you want to see more of. What will happen through the 3 to 5 days fasting is you will experience an immune system reboot. Personally, what happened for me is my allergies went away and my skin got a lot clearer, teeth, even my vision improved. Of course, individual results will show up. You will experience mental and emotional clarity. That is, you will definitely experience first the emotional unclarity that you have been carrying around up until now. So the fast will make it available. You'll start to experience, hey, what's going on? You can't hide anymore. And you will be guided every step. If you do the paid version with me, I'll guide you. There'll be daily Zoom meetings and we'll have a great time together. So, okay, a little bit about the science, just short. What happens in your body hour by hour when you start your fast is we're not starving. It's not like we are pushing the body beyond its limit within these 3 to 5 days. Yes, it is radical at first time you experience it, but your body can handle it very well. And so what you see here is first something called human growth hormone begins to rise, helps to protect what's healthy in the body, helps to protect your muscles and the important vital organs. And it will start to help supporting also fat metabolism. And the next thing within 18 hours, it might be longer for you if this is your first time ever fasting, but autophagy starts happening, and that's a cell renewal. The body has the intelligence to begin repairing skin, repairing cells that are damaged. And while it do so, it use that for energy, right? Within 24 hours, maybe 48 hours for you, depending, a stem cell activation will happen on the clean water fast. That means your gut healing happens much faster. The intestine starts to heal up, which is maybe up to 60 to 70% of illnesses happens because your intestines are clogged or there's not a fluent movement in the intestines, depending on what you've been eating. You'll see that your brain will function much quicker, more calm, but quicker. A deep cleansing happens there, usually 48 hours if you haven't done before. And then autophagy peaks, stem cells starts to peak within the 48 to 72 hours. So the last day of the fast, you can start to have improvement both for heart, liver, and kidneys. And we do extra care for those of you who have something with your kidneys in the drink that we prepare on a daily basis. So that's the short. A little bit about what to experience within the guided workshop. Daily Zoom meetings. Yeah, we have Zoom sessions. You have access to me. You can have a talk, direct access. There'll be morning meditations. I'm going to guide you through a part, or you can also have recorded sessions. There'll be breathwork sessions, both recorded, and I'm going to guide you through it as well, depending on your level and experience. We do self body massage. There'll be clear fasting protocols and also how to do afterwards. Along the way, you'll have access to the Mira app, an app that helps you to handle overwhelmment or mind issues, mind health, right? So you learn to talk different with yourself, handle challenges differently by talking with Mira. And if you want to do this on your own, I have made a short prepare your body for the 3 days fasting. And yeah, if you know already you're going to do a fast, here's pretty much a simple 4-step method that you can start introducing to your daily regime, which is cut down on sugars, stop any refined sugars, cut that down, reduce meat. I'm not saying that you should never eat meat again, but just lower your meat intake before the fast because it takes longer time for meat to go through intestines and you want to cleanse them. Then again, start eating clean and whole, right? You want to eat fresh fruits. You want to eat fresh vegetables. You can cook them, but eat clean and whole without any processed foods within. Yeah, because it's easier to digest. Finally, take smaller portions uh, so your body is ready for that. Just a second here. Choo. Okay, so that's a way to prepare your body for the fast. A little bit what to expect day by day. The mind will test you during the fast for sure. The shift begins on day 2, right? So that's where you real start to see the new. It's a great way also to, if you want to make some big changes in your life, this is a great way for you to make that change and see your own commitment with it. But you can read more about all of this inside this link here. It's below. And here are the pricing if you want to do it with me, do it together with us who are in the group. And of course, you can have a free introduction session. I'm also planning to do one here in the week later, but the date hasn't arrived yet. So stay tuned if you are curious and want to learn more. Links below if you want to access. Yeah, that's about it. I'm going to stop the share here. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to learn more about fasting or anything, just comment below. Please share your experiences with fasting. We can all learn together. And there's always something new approach or how to handle certain side effects and such. So curious to hear your experience with fasting if you have tried it before. And if you haven't, what will make you actually do a fast? What would be your why? And yeah, have a great day. Stay conscious, stay awake, and make it fun.